Alright, so 2017 Volvo S90 coming back once more. Keep in mind, a lot of your Volvo products are going to be exactly the same. Give you a quick shot up under the engine compartment here. And what I mean by that, a lot of the stuff you see up under your hood here will look similar on your V60s, XC90, XC40, XC60 as well. And just in case you're wondering, I'm doing this by hand. It's just that simple. If you ever need to uncover your cover pad off of your engine of your Volvo, of course, they always suggest go ahead and pull your cap, but with Volvo, you particularly don't have to because it fits kind of snug right around that. So we're going to go ahead and put that cap back in. And this is so easy. You don't even need the wrench itself. All you need is just a Torx. And just in case you're wondering, I'm using a Torx T45. Torx T45. And just going to loosen this right up and show you exactly what this looks like underneath. As you can tell, this is rather quick. Once you have it, you don't have to take it all the way out. Just loosen it enough. Of course, I'm a big fan of not losing anything. So once you're, as you're tightening, just lift up and see if it's loose. If it's loose, just leave it in there like it is. We're gonna go ahead and lift up here. You particularly wanna do this if you're doing any engine work on the top of your engine, but if not, you'll never need to do this. So once you have all four loosen, then there's a couple, just take it and lift all the way up. Okay, so that one tightened back down on me. So let's see. Of course, I just found out if I take it and push down, it tightens back up, or it goes right back in. So it might be a situation where you don't exactly need to do a screw here. So as we lift up, you can just take and lift up, lift that right off, and there is the top of your T5 250 horsepower 4-cylinder engine from Volvo. And of course, when you're done doing whatever work you need, and that's particularly why it's covered. That's a lot of important connections made there. So once you're done, you just want to stick this back on. Strange part about it, you can just align it right with the oil spots entrance there. And once you get it on, you can kind of hear your tabs clicking down inside of where they're supposed to go. Once they're done, you've got them clicked in, you've got it positioned. You can tell you've got it positioned around your oil entrance area here. You're just going to take this and we're just going to tighten it right back up. And there again, once you feel resistance, don't overdo it. Once you feel resistance, that's it. Just leave it at that and you're done. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other two. Of course, you don't have to see me do that, but that is exactly what it takes to remove your cover from the engine of your Volvo.